Hi guys, welcome back. Apple's new iPhone 11R design just leaked for the first time. The device probably won't be released until September, but rumors and leaks have started popping up online. Thinking about buying the iPhone 11R for yourself? Here's everything we know about the unreleased device. We never expected the iPhone 11R to look much different from the iPhone XR, but a recent leak suggests that there may be at least a few tweaks to the phone. Namely, the device may include the rumored square camera bump expected to feature on the iPhone 11, though instead of the triple lens setup on the higher-end devices, there will be a dual lens setup. The leak comes from Twitter user OnLeaks, in partnership with Price Baba. According to the report, the leaks come from CAD files stolen from Foxconn's factory. These new renders basically confirmed everything we had heard. They also show the iPhone 11R in a range of colors, so we can assume that the device will be available in the same colors as the iPhone XR. Apart from the square camera bump, the iPhone 11R looks more or less the same as its predecessor, though that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a pretty nice looking phone. Apart from the switch to a dual camera, no leaks regarding the iPhone 11R's leaks have been released yet, but we can speculate. The iPhone XR features an Apple A12 Bionic chip like the iPhone XS. Because of that, we expect the iPhone 11R to feature Apple's new A13 chip. It will likely also feature at least 3 GB of RAM, though Apple rarely makes public the amount of RAM that the iPhone offers. When it comes to storage, it's possible Apple will stick with the minimum of 64 GB, though it would be nice if the company moved up to at least 128 GB of storage. Just like the iPhone 11 and 11 Max, the iPhone 11R will apparently also get a minor design refresh in 2019. And now, a new leak seemingly shows us Apple's final iPhone 11R design for the first time. As you can see in the render, the front of the iPhone 11R appears completely unchanged as compared to the iPhone XR. This shouldn't come as much of a surprise, of course, since the exact same thing can be said of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max. And as is the case with the iPhone 11 and 11 Max, the back of the iPhone 11R is also the same aside from one huge difference. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you like.